Hi guys, welcome to another one of our educational series video. I'm here again with Nicole and we're going to talk about something that's very important, especially to you coming up this summer. Now, I know we chose a kind of a cold day to talk about AC, but maybe that's a good thing in the sense that we're talking about keeping things cool. Nicole, what do we have today?
Hi guys, this is Nicole Molina with Choice Home Warranty. And yes, Manny, this is a great topic and a great time to talk about it. We're talking about changing those air filters, and I've got 5 reasons on why that's a good idea.
Wow.
So number 1, better air quality. Of course, we want to make sure that we change that because as the system's been used, we want to make sure that we change that filter so we have better air quality. Lower energy bills, that's going to be a huge one. It helps protect your HVAC system. It's going to help that longer lifespan of that system, right? Because it doesn't have to work as hard. And then of course, you're going to get stronger airflow and comfort. So these small habits can have a big impact.
Wow. So as you're listening to this and thinking about how or what you need to do for your own home, for those of you guys that actually own properties that you have renters, great idea to send out a message to them as well so that you keep your investment homes and your homes in great shape, right?
Absolutely,
Okay.
absolutely.
And then the biggest thing about it is an AC hits you with 2 different types of bills, right? The electrical bill to run them, and then also the other side that you don't see, which is going to be whether it's allergens, whether it ends up being other repairs, maintenance that you have to do that you may not need if you simply keep the actual AC running properly, right?
Absolutely.
Any last words you have for us, Nicole?
I would just say that one of the nice things about changing the filter is you don't need a tech to do that. It's actually something that you can do at home. So that's another great plus.
Awesome, awesome. So as usual, it's not about your realtor, it's about the resources that your realtor brings to you. So when you want a complete realtor, my name is Manny, 818-472-6896. Been doing this over 21 years. And
Nicole Molina with Choice Home Warranty. My phone number is 805-660-3229. And if you have questions, just give us a call.
awesome. See you in the next one.